Welcome to Learnpedia, the ultimate JEE NEET prep tool currently being used by more than 20,000 aspirants. Let's see if you can answer this actual JEE question. If you think you got the answer, please post it in the comment section below. To understand the concept behind this question, go ahead and watch this video.
Now, how many numbers between 10 and 10,000 can be formed using 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5? Now, look at the first condition. The most important thing is repetition not allowed. Now, before we proceed to identify the answer to the question, let's identify how are the numbers that lie between 10 and 10,000. Yes, you'll have a series of numbers 10, 11, 12, so on, and this would go on up to 99. These are all two-digit numbers. But apart from these two-digit numbers, there will be numbers still lying between 10 and 10,000, which are of the form 100, 101, 102, so on up to 999. Now these are numbers which are three-digit, right? Not only three-digit, we can extend this up to 10,000. So, or there is another possibility of numbers which are of the form 1000, 1001, 1002, going on up to 9999, wherein these are the numbers which are four-digit. So we are supposed to find two-digit or three-digit or four-digit numbers that are lying between 10 and 10,000, which are formed only by using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 when a repetition is not allowed, right? Now for the first case, that is when repetition is not allowed, let's consider the first choice of two-digit numbers. For a two-digit number to be formed, we need to fill two places. One is called units place and another one is called tens place. Now there are two jobs to be done here. One is to arrange the units place with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the second job is to fill the tens place with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the condition that repetition is not allowed. Now let us identify how many ways this can be done. Now U can be arranged with any one of 1, 2, 3 or 4, 5. This can be done in 5 ways, right? Similarly, the second job of filling up the T place can be done in other than the digit which we used at U. We'll have 4 ways of doing this, right? And when is a two-digit number formed? It is formed by doing both units place arrangement and the tens place. That means, shall we say, the number of two-digit numbers are 5 into 4, because it has to be filled with both units place and the tens place. That would give us 20 different numbers that can be formed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not allowing repetition, that are between 10 and 10,000. But there are some numbers which are three-digit also. How many three-digit numbers are possible? For a three-digit number, what are the three jobs? We have to arrange three places. The first place arrangement is of units place, the second place arrangement is of tens place, and the third place arrangement is hundreds place. Now how many ways you can arrange the units place? The first job of filling the units place can be done in 5 ways using 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, right? So this can be performed in 5 ways. Now how many ways can we arrange the tens place? The second job of arranging the tens place, other than, now here what are the choices left? Yes, the one which we have used in the units place should not be used. So there are only 4 ways of doing this job, right? And similarly, how many ways can the third job of filling the hundreds place be done? Now here what are the choices? We have to use the numbers other than the digits in already 2 places used. One is units place and one is tens place. So out of the 5 choices, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, exhausting 2 choices, you can fill this in only 3 ways. So from here, how many three-digit numbers are possible? The possible three-digit numbers are 5 into, because in order to form a three-digit number, I have to do units place and tens place and the hundreds place, which are 16 number. So we have calculated now the three-digit number. Now what are left? In order to reach up to 10,000, we can also have a 4-digit number. Let us count how many 4-digit numbers are possible. So when a 4-digit number has to be formed, we have to arrange 4 places. The first place is units place, the second place is tens, the third place is hundreds, and the fourth place is thousands. How many ways can we arrange the units place? This units place can be arranged with any one of the choices 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this can be done in 5 ways. Whereas for the tens place, now here, because repetition is not allowed other than the digit, in the place U. For this we have only 4 choices, so this can be arranged in 4 ways. What can you say about H? Yes, while filling up the place at H, we already exhausted 2 choices. So out of the 5, now other than the digits in units place and the tens place, you got only 3 ways of doing this, right? And similarly, how many ways you can perform the thousands place arrangement? For this, because repetition is not allowed, we can use other than the digits in the units place, the tens place and the hundreds place. You are left with only 2 choices. Out of 5 we exhausted 3. Now in order to form a 4-digit number, we need to arrange units place, which can be done in 5 ways, and the tens place, which can be done in 4 ways, and the hundreds place, which can be done in 3 ways, and the thousands place, which can be done in 2 ways, and is converted to multiplication, right? So this is possible in 120 ways. So there are 124 digit numbers, and we have also seen there are 63 digit numbers, 22 digit numbers, which are formed by only using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and not using repetition, right? Therefore, total required numbers are either 2-digited or 3-digited or 4-digited, right? Which is 2-digited 20 possibilities, or is plus there are 60 3-digited and there are 120 4-digited. So total how many numbers are possible by using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 between 10 and 10,000, not repeating any number. There are total 200 such numbers are possible. Now what is the difference in the B case? If you look at the B case, now still the number has to be between 10 and 10,000, but here repetition is allowed, right? When repetition is allowed, let's observe the first case of 2-digit numbers. When we consider the 2-digit number, we need to arrange 2 places. One is U, one is T, units place, and the tens place. Now how many ways can we arrange units place? Units place can be arranged in 5 ways. And how many ways can we arrange tens place? Yes, this also can be arranged in 5 ways because repetition is allowed. So no need of considering other than the unit number used at the digit used at units place. So this can be done in 25 ways, right? Whereas how many 3-digit numbers are possible? Following the same logic as 2 digits, now we need to arrange 3 places. The arrangement of units digit, which can be done in 5 ways. The arrangement at tens digit, that is in 5 ways because repetition is allowed. And the number at hundreds place, which still has 5 choices. Now in order to form a 3-digit number, we have to form hundreds, tens and units place. So this can be done in 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125 different possible 3-digit numbers are possible, right? Similarly, how many 4-digit numbers are possible? For a 4-digit number, we need to fill thousands position, hundreds position, tens position and the units position. And each of them, because repetition is allowed, has 5 choices each. So units place can be arranged in 5 ways, tens place can be arranged in 5 ways, hundreds place can be arranged in 5 ways, and thousands place can be arranged in 5 ways. And a 4-digit number is formed by filling units place and tens place and hundreds place and thousands place. That can be done in 5 to the power of 4, that is 625 different ways, right? Then in this case, the total required numbers are either 2-digit numbers 25 possibilities or 3-digit numbers 125 possibilities or 625 4-digit numbers. So total how many are possible now? In this case there are 775 digits are possible, which are lying between 10 and 10,000 using only 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 when repetition is allowed in them, right?
Hey there, hope you understood the concept. Here's the solution to the question asked at the beginning. Found this video useful? Hit the like and share icons to enjoy more such videos. Use the comment section below to post your feedback, queries and any questions. LearnPedia's JEE and NEET prep tools contain more than 4,000 videos and over 20,000 questions, accessible online on our website and offline on an SD card or a pen drive. To buy now, visit www.learnpedia.in. You can also try a free demo of the product before buying it.